Hello dear students, how are you all? Welcome to Mehdi English School. Myself Nilofer Miss, and you all know that this is the mathematics lecture, and this lecture is for the class 2. So let's start the class 2 lecture. Now today, as every day, not only today, as every day we begin our lecture with the quote. We always start our lecture with the quote. So today also we are going to start our lecture with the quote. So here is the today's quote, that study while others are sleeping. So this is the time for study because other students, other persons are sleeping, because this situation you all know, you are not coming to school. So if someone are thinking that this is the sleeping time, so the clever student only understood that this is not the sleeping time, this is the study time, because others are sleeping. So you have to study, you have to educate yourself. So study while others are sleeping. Others are not doing anything, so you also not doing anything, that is not good thing. So others, whatever they doing, you have to study yourself. Now today we are going to start the textbook of the standard 2. We are going to start the textbook syllabus from today. Now bridge course is over. We are going to start the textbook chapter number 1. Which chapter we are going to start today? From the textbook, I will show you the textbook also. So this is the chapter 1, and the name of the chapter is numbers up to 200. What is the name of the chapter? The name of this chapter is numbers up to 200. This is your chapter number 1 of the mathematics standard 2. Now all the exercises, all the worksheets you have to note down in the fair book. From today, whatever I am going to teach you, you have to note down in the fair book. So this is chapter number 1 of your standard 2nd, and the name of this chapter is the numbers up to 200. Now see, this is your textbook of the class 2. This is your textbook picture I am showing you here. This is your textbook of the class 2. So from this book we are going to start the chapter number 1 from this book. Now let's begin the portion of the standard 2nd. We are going to start today the textbook and the chapter number 1 from it. You can see this is the chapter number 1. This is your textbook page, and you can read the chapter name here, which is numbers up to 200. What is the name of this chapter? Numbers up to 200. Now first of all, let's looking back of the first standard. Let's warm up. Let's do the warm up exercise that is given in your textbook. See this, looking back. So where you have to looking back? In the first standard that you already learn. So you have to match it here. So tens and ones. So these brown sticks you can see, you have to consider as the tens value. These brown sticks, see here I just move around this red dot, so that is the brown sticks. You have to consider that brown sticks as the tens value, and that green dots I am showing you here, these green dots, this one, the brown sticks you have to take as the tens value. This is the 110 and this is the 210. So you have to consider this as a 210 and this is the ones value. This green box you have to take at the ones value. Here is 1, 2 and 3. So here is the 3 ones. So 2, 10 and 3 ones. So 2 and 3. So it is 23. You have to see this. This first is already had done. This is the 23. Now the next one, see this. How many tens value is given? Let's count how many tens are given. Here is 1, 2, here is 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So there are 7 tens given. And how many ones? So here is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here is 7, 10 and 4 ones. 7 tens and 4 ones. So 7, 4, 74. You have to match with the 74. See this. This is the 74 and the spelling for the 74 is given here. Now, next let's count it. How many value is given? Here is how many tens are there. What is the value for the tens? Here is 110, 210 and 310. That is 3 tens. And how many ones? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 10 and 9 ones. So it is 39. 310. So at the tens value we have to write down 3, or at the ones value there are 9 blocks are given. So this is the 39. It indicates 39. And at the last one, let's count how many tens value are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 tens value are given, and there is only ones value is just a 1. So 8 tens, 1 ones. So it is the 81. Which value it's shown? It's shown the 81 number. So this thing you already had learned in the first standard. Now the question number 2. So for the question number 2, let's read the heading. What is the heading? For the question number 2 is write the numbers before, after or between. These all the numbers you already had learned in the first standard. But therefore let's looking back. So here is 59. So after 59 which number will come? After 59. So after 59 the number comes is a 6060. After 59 the number will come is 6060. This is the after number. Now here we have to write down the before number. Before 8181 it will be a 8080. Before 81 it will be a 80 number come. Now the next one is the between number. Between 67 and 69, the number 68 will come. Between 67 and 69, it will be a 68 number will come. So this way we have to just warm up this exercise. So if anyone forget this concept of the ones and tens, so the concept will be revised. Now 1 to 100 numbers. But here is the missing numbers. We are going to learn the missing numbers of 1 to 100. Still we are looking back in the first standard. These all are the warm-up exercise which is given in your second standard textbook. So this is the 1 to 100 missing numbers are given. So let's complete this worksheet first, and you have to write down in the fair book these numbers also. Now here is 1. These worksheets are very easy and all the students must know these missing numbers, and this worksheet is that much easy, so you can put the missing numbers by yourself. But the vacation you have taken, it is too much long, so maybe some students forget the numbers. So for them I am revising this 1 to 100 numbers. So if anyone forget it, so for them this is the warm up exercise. They will just remember the 1 to 100 number. Now here is 1. After 1 it will be a 2. See, this way you have to put the missing numbers. Here is 1, then 2, 3 is given. So after 3 it will be a 4, then 5, 6, after 6 it will be a 7, after 7 it will be a 8, then 9 and 10 numbers are given. Then 11, after 11 it will be a 12, number 13 is given. After number 13 it will be a 14, then 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. These numbers are given. So after 19 number it will be a 20, 20. Now 21 and 22. These numbers are given. So after 22 it will be a 23 number. Then 24 number is given. So after 24 it will be a, not 24, it will be a, now after 24 it will be a 25 number. Now after 25 the number 26 is given. So after 26 it will be a 27 number. Then the next 28 number is given. So after 28 it will be a 29 and number 30 is given. So after 30 which number will come here? This is the blank. So after 30 it will be a 31. After 30 it will be a 31 number will come. Now 32 and 33 numbers are given. Now after 33 it will be a 34, then 35, 36 and 37 numbers are given. After 37 it will be a 38 number will come, then 39. This number is given. So after 39 it will be a 40 number will come. So this number 1 to 40 is completed. Now 41. this number is given. So after 41, it will be a 42. After 41, it will be a 42. Now after 42, it will be a 43. This number is already given. Now after 43, it will be a 44. Now the next 45 number is given. We have to write down now which number will come after 45. So it will be a 46. Now the numbers 47, 48, 49 and 50. These numbers are already given. Now after 50, which number will come? So after 50, it will be a 51 number will come. After 50, the number 51 will come. Now the numbers 52, 53 and 54. These numbers are already given. So after this number 54, it will be a 55 number will come. Which number will come? It will be a 55 number. Now the 56 number is already given. So after it, it will be a 57 number. Then the 58 number is already given. So the 58, after it, the number 59 will come. So here I have to write 5959. After it, the number 60 is already given. Now 61 is already given. So after 61, it will be a 62. Then the number 63 is already given. Then 63, after the number 64 will come. So write down here 64. After 64, it will be a 65. This number is already given. Now after 65, it will be a 66. Which number will come after 65? So it will be a 66 number will come. Then the numbers 67, 68 and 69. These numbers are already given. So the after number 69, it will be a number 70 will come. So we have to write down number 7070. Now the number 71 and 72. These numbers are already given. So after 72, it will be a 73 number will come. This way we have to write down the number 73. Now the number 74 is given. This number is already given in this worksheet. So the after 74 number, it will be a 75 number will come. After 75, the numbers 76 and 77 are already given. These both the numbers are already given. So after 77, it will be a 78 number will come. Which number will come after 77? 78 number will come after the 77. Now 79 and 8080. These both the numbers are already given. Which numbers are given? Here see this 79 and 80. These both the numbers are given. So after 81 number is also given. Now after 81, it will be a 82. Which number will come after 81? It will be a 82. Then 83 number is already given. So after 83, it will be a 84 number will come. After the 83, it will be a 84 number will come. Now the numbers 85 and 86. is already given. So we have to write down the next missing number after the 86. So after 86 it will be a 87. Now the number 88 is already given. So we have to write down the number which comes after 88. So the after 88 the number 89 will come. Then the number 9090 is already given. Which number is given already? The number 9090 is already given. Then after 9090 which number will come? Next to 90. So next number after the 9090 it will be a 91. Now the numbers 92, 93 and 94. These numbers are given. So we have to write down the number after 94. So which number will come? So the number 95 will come. Now the number 96, 97, these both the numbers are given. So after these two numbers, the number 98 will come. Then the number 99 and at the last 100. These numbers are already given. So you have to write down this missing number worksheet of 1 to 100 numbers. You have to write down this into the fair book. I will send in the WhatsApp group also, but you have to write down this in the fair book. Now the next topic of your textbook, the name of the topic is building numbers up to 200. What is the name? The name of the next topic of your textbook is building numbers up to 200. That is the name of your topic. Now see this is the, you can read it here, this is the one stamp, this one is the one stamp, and this is the 10 stamps. So 10 ones, this is the ones value. You can consider this as the ones value, and there is the 10 stamps is given. How many stamps are given? There are 10 stamps are given. So you can consider this that 10 ones is equal to 110. This is the 10 ones. There are 10 stamps are given. So you can call it that is 110, and that is 10 rows are given of the 10 stamps. So you can call it 10 tens is equal to 100. Now I'll explain you through this pictography. You can consider this square as a 100. How you have to consider this square? You have to consider this square as a 100. See, you have to consider this as a 100, and this single block you have to consider as the ones value. So this is the 100 and this is the 1. So at the 100 place you have to write down 1. There is no any this types of tens value is given. So at the blanks place you have to put 0, and the ones value only one number is given. So you have to write down 1 there. Let's see some more example. The one box is given, the one square is given. So it means the 100. At the hundreds box you have to write down 1, because just only one square is given. Then check for the tens place. How many row are given? So there are 2 rows are given. So you have to note down 2. You have to write down 2 at the tens column. There is this types of single blocks which indicates the ones value. There is nothing given at the ones value, so you can put down 0 at the ones place. Now this one you have to read as a 101. See, we say 101. What we write 101 and we say 101. Now for this 120. So we write 120 and what we say it? 120. We said it 120. Now the next example, this is the 100. So at the 100th place you have to write down 1. At the 10th place, see, you can count it. It is 4 rows are given. So you have to write down at the 10th place number 4. Or the ones blocks, 5 blocks are given at the ones value. So you have to write down 5 at the ones place. So we write down 145 or we said it 145. How we read it? We can read it 145. So this is the next topic of your textbook. Let's understood with some more examples. See, this box, this types of box that a 1 square, you have to consider this as the 100. Have to consider you this big box, the big square which having 10 row and 10 column. You have to consider this as the hundreds value. This single columns, this columns which is in the standing position, you have to consider this as the tens value. This square you have to consider as the hundreds value. These standing lines you have to consider as the tens value, and this simple square you have to take as the ones value. This indicates how you have to count the numbers. This is the hundreds. This indicates the hundreds value. It indicates the standing line rows indicates the tens value, and this square, the small square, indicates the ones value. I hope you understood through this picture that if you count in the sleeping way, it will be a 10 boxes you can count, and at the standing position if you count, it will be a 10 boxes. Now in the 10th place, if you count in the standing line, it will be a 10 squares in one line. You can find it out. See here, it will be a 10 squares. This one is also a 10 squares. This one is also a 10 squares. Now this simple 1 square indicates that it's a ones value. What it indicates? The single square. These are not the single square, these are all the joint squares, but these single squares indicates the ones value. Now see this. Here the yellow color squares. How many squares are there? There are 2 squares. So at the hundreds place you have to note down 2. How many pink sticks are there? There are 3 pink sticks. 1, 2 and 3. So at the 10th place we have to write down 3. And this blue squares 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you have to write down 4 under the ones columns. Now you can read this number as a 234. How you can read this number? You can read this number as a 234. Now the remaining we are going to do in the next lecture. We will do this remaining worksheet in the next lecture. Now your homework. You all must write down the homework. I am showing you what is your homework is. See the numbers 1 to 100. Number names you have to write down in the fair book. This is your homework. You have to note down this homework in the fair book. That is compulsory for you all to write down this homework in the fair book. Now Thank you so much students for watching this video. Thank you so much for your consideration. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day and please do homework. Have a nice day.